Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are recreating one of my recipes. This is the chocolate sugar cookie recipe. The ingredients you're going to need is some flour, some room temperature butter, I like to use unsalted butter, some powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and some salt. We're going to start by combining our cocoa powder and flour. I like to use unbleached all-purpose. Then grab a clean bowl and we're going to place our butter in here first and just mix it up. I like to use unsalted room temperature butter for my recipes. Don't forget to scrape your bowl with a spatula. And then we're going to add our salt to this. And we're going to sift our powdered sugar into this as well. And then combine it all once you've sifted it. Just mix this all together. It will come together within 3 to 5 minutes. Just give it a good mix. And again, scrape your bowl. Make sure you get all those ingredients well incorporated. Now we're going to sift in our cocoa powder flour mixture little by little. Since this dough is eggless, it will take a while for it to come together. This is a perfect recipe if you don't want any egg in it. Once you've added it all in, just start combining it all together. Give it about 5 minutes. It's going to be like crumbly breadcrumbs. And then for the rest of it, I do like to use my spatula to mix it all together, get all the ingredients well incorporated. And then I will use my hand to kind of crumble it all together. Make sure it all comes together. You will have to knead this dough. Just keep working with it. It will be a little bit of a struggle, but as long as you work with it, it will come together. Once it holds its shape, I'm going to put it on saran wrap. And I'm going to wrap this up and put it in the fridge for at least half an hour just so that it holds itself a little bit. You don't want to leave it too long because it will dry it out. You can also skip the chilling if you want. I like to use cold cookie dough when I roll it out. Get some parchment paper to roll this out. You don't want to add more flour as it will dry out the dough more than it is. So just get some parchment paper and roll this out. Once rolled out, you can start cutting out your cookies. I'm going to be doing a variety here, just a normal circle, this little gingerbread Mickey looking one I have, a cat for Halloween since that's coming up, and a gingerbread man for Christmas time. And then I'm placing them on a sheet pan. You can also preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These will bake between 8 to 10 minutes. They will puff up, and once you take them out, they will thin out a bit. So they won't stay puffy, but they will hold their shape. Once they've baked, I will take them out of the oven and put them on a wire rack to let them completely cool before we start decorating them. But here are all the cookies I made. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with what I post, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, stay sweet.